Valentine.
Yeah.
Valentine is of the devil. Yakaita kone Catholic Church. Valentine hazvina Mwari mukati. Zvina Satan mukati.
So are you single? Are you taken?
I'm single.
Yes. Do you think I can have a chance on you?
I hear.
I want to ask you, what's the biggest thing that you have done for someone for Valentine's?
I've spent some couples of dollars, like maybe 1K.
Okay.
Then for some, I've even bought cars.
Yeah. Yeah, probably why I started running, because this I'm going to be running 2026. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be bringing something different, something a bit more entertaining, and so we're going for what? For Valentine's. So as you can see, today we are in Kwekwe, one of the suburbs in Kwekwe in guys. So as I have told you earlier, today I'm going to be having something special for you, something special for Valentine's. So who am I here with you?
Top dog.
Hey, Top Dog, Baba. Top Wadada. Okay, so how are you, Baba? What is it? Okay, so today's question is, do you believe in Valentine's, or you just believe maybe it's a trap for girls just to get money and presents?
Depends. What?
Depends, nature.
Views. Knows what I say.
Him knows what I say.
Now I'm willing to personal life which is more like capitated, you know.
Calculated.
Just what I think the personal life thing that every day we need to celebrate that. Every day is Valentine. That's what I think.
Okay.
But for others, for some people, as kind of, they want to make it as a way. You know, it's the thing for the simp guys, the weak guys. Yes, for the real men alpha.
Okay, so my brother, I want to ask this question. So, do you have someone you're going to give Valentine's this year? Are you taken? In simple terms, are you taken?
Yeah. Super TV, I'm taking.
What do you mean, Never TV?
Yeah, this is what I'm taking.
Okay, so I think maybe my last question is, what's the biggest thing, or what's the biggest thing that you have given someone for Valentine's, like as in gift, or what have you done, like something that you say like, yeah, this year I went crazy on Valentine's?
You know, I believe every day we celebrate love. So the thing is, with us guys, we are misunderstanding. Yeah, what is changing? And so forth and stuff. But the truth is, this is a Western thing. You know, Saka, we don't know much about it. So we stick. So I believe whatever that I'm doing for my partner, whatever that we're doing, is the biggest thing.
Okay, so my brother, okay, I think you're kind of running away from my question. Okay, I get it. You're saying every day is Valentine's Day. What's the craziest amount that you would say you've spent on a lady?
I can't disclose the amount.
Now you can just give us a range, maybe. I'm Boba, but thanks.
Marisa Tina.
Please.
Valentine.
Yeah.
Valentine is of the devil. Yakaita kone Catholic Church. Wow. Catholic Church yakaita kama 3 AD. Zve Valentine hazvina Mwari mukati. Zvina Satan mukati. Bodi vatsonamata mukadzi. Uyu mukadzi akautoonera kutoera ngomana uyu. Bozi ari kuti Mwari vakati ngasiye munhu wemufananidzo wenyu. Pakabuda munhu pakabuda mukadzi. Kudaika hakuna zvezveti kadzi. Varume vega. Wakarerwa. Catholic ndoita kufananidzo zvanzi mukadzi. Ukati one uyo wadzva.
Saka advice amoda kupa vanhu vari kutengera vanhu maValentine's Day.
Aiwa, Valentine is of the devil. Valentine is of the devil. Read your word. What I'm saying, I'm going to do that. What I want to buy, that's the image. You know, what I get on light. But Ukamura Mkazu and you, I am the change more. kana uri kumba kwauri ngwenya akunzi Jerry Ngwenya ukamuramba karona kwanzi Jerry Ndimbofu achinja surname iwe kana uri ngwenya uri Jerry Ngwenya you don't change your surname because you were created in the original state of God, the image of God. You don't change your surname. Because you are the image of God yourself. But my mkazi wachi ya surname anda machinja because she is a byproduct of a man. And mwana na mazama ya mwisi sajua chiti baba yedu arikudega kuna mayu chiti baba mayu hakuna mayu wakazi hawazi sajua aenda because the woman represents the church. She ukaoneka pepe ranzi God gets a dominating woman. Wamo a dominating man mukazi anodedza kutoka mwana itosa udai ukaoneka mwana isika basa.
So who am I here with?
I'm Dr. Ice, Mr. Reds.
Okay, Mr. Reds. Okay, nice to meet you, Mr. Reds. Okay, so my question of the day is, do you believe in Valentine's?
Yeah, I do believe in Valentine's. You know, Valentine is a great day to celebrate love. I encourage everyone out there, you should celebrate love because, yeah, Valentine is a good day. And there's no any reason for any guy or any man to not celebrate Valentine unless you are broke.
Okay. Since you have said unless you are broke, I want to ask you, what's the biggest thing that you have done for someone for Valentine's?
I think I've spent some couples of dollars, like maybe 1K.
Okay.
Then for some, I've even bought cars. But I can't even remember. You know.
So yourself, do you even have a car? I was saying you put someone in the car.
Yeah, I have cars, not a car, my brother. Cars.
You have cars?
Yeah, cars, you know.
So can you show me in like if do you have a car like anywhere close by? Or?
Okay, right now I have my limited edition of an old.
Oh, this is yours?
Yeah, this is mine.
Can we go closer? Like maybe you show me. Like,
okay, I'll show you. Let me show you. So you see, this is an old TT, like it's a sport car, UK make, you know. I'm the only one with this car in Midlands. So
you're the only one with this car?
Yeah, for real. If I say I'm the only one with this car, I'm saying like the UK make one. Some guys they have OTT from Japan.
Okay.
This is from UK, bro.
Okay.
Yeah, you can see them in the interior if you want to see. This is clean.
Down close, let's see how
it's clean. Yeah, clean.
Okay, it's nice, my friend. It's nice. So ngoroyo ndiye foot kana kuti.
You know, it's not mine this one.
Okay. Since it's a big car, maybe I want to show you.
It's not mine.
Tanya. So Tanya, do you believe in Valentine's?
Yeah.
Wambotengerwa Valentine's. So what's the biggest like gift like someone if ever gifted you for Valentine's?
Chitedi chombe chakakura chechi.
Kanzi chaita mari.
$37.
$37. So so are you single or taken?
Single.
You're single? Why are you single? Come on, like you're doing from stuff. Why are you single?
Andisikona vandoda.
Ausikona wanoda? Unoda munavera sei?
Nema characters andikodari andisikuvaona like
ausikona muna necharacter yauri unyatso kuti. Okay, so okay, let me ask this. Do you think I can have a chance on you? I don't know my character though. Why? Okay, so my next question is what advice do you have? No one over single.
ngavatsvage vanhu vanovaitira kozi vakatsvaga munasiriye vanochichema.
You sound like someone who's said, what are you
vanhu havasi straight.
Vanhu havasi straight.